The FCM's coming in hot, and if you're pausing your A B testing because of shifts in user behavior or to get a performance gain, you still might be making a very common mistake.
Absolutely. Brands need to experiment in the regular season and then show up ready for the playoffs. The biggest thing that we see here is that brands keep running their A/B tests through the holiday season without really understanding that, well, just because I've got something set to 100%, or just because I have no active tests running, therefore my performance is good. The challenge with most client-side A/B testing platforms is you've got to show A or B, and you don't want the user to see something flashing. And so we put a big white curtain over the page as it's loading. They call it sometimes like a page hiding snippet, manipulate the baseline into the variant, and then take that down and the user sees it. The challenge there is that even if you aren't running a test, if there's anything that's manipulating the DOM between the server and the user, this is going to hurt performance and therefore hurt your conversion. So once the test starts winning, or you've hit 100% and you've conclusively said, yeah, this is a better experience, we want to get that out of the A/B testing platform immediately and bake it into your base templates so that you can turn off your A/B testing system completely. And by turn it off, I mean wrap the feature flag around your A/B testing snippet and disable it from that level, not just let it continue to load. Because even when no experiments are running, A/B testing system is still loading on the site. It's going to be going back to its server to determine if any experiments are running, off and still hiding the page. And so there's a lot of just delay in that. Actually, one of the reasons that I got into performance consulting, one of our early consulting clients ran an A/B test of their A/B testing program. So they had a bunch of experiments that were running at 100%, each of which had added up to, 2 or 3% improvement in CRO. Turning that off and just running against the baseline without the performance penalty of all of those accumulated tests, turning it off resulted in better conversion than the experimentation program was bringing in. So thinking about performance as important as, or as impactful on conversion as your CRO program, and then using CRO very strategically, surgically, can be a really big win.
That's the irony there, right? We run all of these tests because that's a disciplined thing to do, and we chase these very tiny incremental gains or just flat no leader found. And we're not even thinking about how that impacts web performance, which impacts bounce rate and conversion.
Absolutely, yeah. And some of the brands that do run conversion optimization can be a little better or worse. One of the surprising things in the Yottaa third-party data that we see is that some brands are actually still running Google Optimize. So this is current data as of the last, I believe, 90 days. And so 11% of sessions that are doing A/B testing are still using Google Optimize. We've done some audits where we continue to find this, and this is just render blocking loaded very early, but this service has been decommissioned for years. So again, like any third-party tool, you want to make sure that you're auditing the services that you're running. And there are more or less performant ways to do A/B testing. Unfortunately, client-side A/B testing has a heavy performance impact, and so we recommend turning it off and not just, disable all your tests, but like I say, completely remove the script from the site when you're not doing experimentation actively.